welcome to Mama Joan house where it's hot, and when I said hot I mean scotch batted hot. Today guys, I am doing a little video for you guys. It's very risky, very dangerous, and I suggest nobody try to do this video. Okay guys, today I'm gonna have another guy call my phone and my husband is going to answer it. Lord of mercy, may I risk my life on you know, I not even know how to go work out, you know, because you know Jamaican man don't play them with it. You understand me? So may I try a thing and, as they say, risk my life. So today guys, I'm gonna use my son friend Chris. You know Chris. He's my right hand man on this video because Chris speak Jamaican and my husband won't recognize the voice. So he's the one I'm gonna use to call my phone. Guys, I'm gonna put my phone in the kitchen, and as soon as my husband come upstairs, I'm gonna text Chris on my iPad and tell him, say, Chris, I go time now. We're ready for run this thing. Downstairs for me now. Alright? I'll come back. Alright. Okay. Still hot, honey? Yeah, it's still warm.
It's about to go down.
Alright?
Yo.
We'll use the washroom, eh? Okay. We'll use the bathroom. We'll be right back.
Five minutes later.
Joan! Joan!
Yes!
Your phone!
Outside, mommy, I use the bathroom.
Oh, hold on. Hello? I guess them hung up on me. Joan!
Answer the phone for me. It might be my neighbor.
Hold on.
Answer the phone. I put it on speaker.
Okay. Hello?
Wait, who this?
What do you mean now who this?
Joan, the other friend. I don't know.
Joan?
The wrong number. Joan.
Joan? Me don't know. Who we want? Joan? Where you want Joan for do? Who
What do you
this?
think you want Joan to do? Are your phone this or if you Joan phone?
No, Joan, I'm a wife, my youth. They don't know.
No, Joan, I'm my one. What do you mean by that?
You're a woman?
Joan, I have no husband.
How the blood clot? What you tell me say my youth? My youth, what kind of idiot talk that you give me? What you say?
Big man, all these years I'm know Joan now. Me never hear about no husband. When me there last night, and again this morning, me never hear about no husband. So I know where you come from.
Oh!
So,
wait.
is the rightful owner of the phone, which is my woman, the phone.
My youth, how the blood, my youth. What you talk about? You're a woman.
You never get the memo, when your time up long ago.
My youth, you know what? I don't no argument with you, know. Go away from your sin.
You're right, that's the one thing you forgive phone.
Joan! My youth, how are you here? You cannot come call my house about phone. Joan, I will do that brother you start. No, which thing go? You can't call my wife phone and talk about your woman. We are dealing with my youth. You know what? Yo, you know what? Who am I? Yo, Joan!
Yes?
How would this I call you phone about your woman? I wish, how would this? I want.
Man, the person dialed the wrong number. Nobody
Man,
can.
say one, Joan, him woman. I come from the yard last night. How you deal with it?
The yard last night. Which yard last night?
I don't know.
Well, maybe the person, maybe the wrong Joan them I talk to because me don't know how
Joan,
that-
your phone, this, you know.
Yeah, my phone, so what difference does it make if I'm my phone and my phone? But that don't mean for say I could have been
Them
one.
call and ask me, Joan, say, you're a woman, and I like say, my itch. The man say, you're a woman, how you deal with my girl?
Well, Harry.
Harry what?
But this is
What
what
kind of
I'm
Harry
saying.
thing?
Well, this is what I'm saying to you. I don't know who called my phone. The person probably dialed the wrong number. And probably I look for another girl named Joan and it mix up. You know, them things that happen sometime. Them things that happen sometime.
Come to me the media talk.
Me
The
not
man
gonna
ask you, Joan, say, I'm a woman. I don't know no husband.
Okay, so let me ask you this now. You ever know if me have anybody for call me and call my phone?
My girl, but if you know this is first thing, enough time you go on the road, you not even know where you go. But come upstairs and when you take a stock, you're not even there. I call me and I look at the van enough time and the van me I forgot check for you know. If you know say you're not gone, you know. I don't know when you left and where you gone.
Well, Harry, all me I tell you say, the person whosoever up on the phone, I don't know who is the phone, who is calling on the phone, and they probably call the wrong number, and maybe there's another person with name Joan. I don't know who called that person.
Oh, you
I
mean
don't
the
know who
person
that
call your phone?
That's
Joan,
a
I want me answer the
mistake.
phone. You might talk like, I want to box him on the phone, you know.
Oh!
Box the man on the
My
phone.
youth, and box me, apply for boxing over the phone. Okay, I'm going like, I don't know. I have to be saying, you're a man.
The younger
My
man,
girl,
the
no
younger-
way I
okay,
know.
the-
My girl.
let me tell you this. The younger man when me have is you.
What are you telling
You
me?
is the only man when me have. Me not know no other man except you.
My God, that's what you're telling me.
So what you think?
Yeah, boy.
When me don't know enough because enough time in there and well, as me say, me don't know where you're gonna have they were all day and come back. Every minute you come. Me I go a Casco. Me I go a yeah. Every minute you find somewhere for go. No friends. And you go out of them place there. Hours.
As I said, people make mistake when they call people number, okay? And me not cheat on you. Me never cheat on you for all the years when me there with you. You understand me? So, whosoever call and ask for Joan, I don't know who that person is what was on the phone. And as I said, people can't call people phone, people can't call people name. That don't necessarily have to be the person who them want. Okay? That is what I'm telling you. So you don't need to be upset because I don't know who just called. Because a while ago the phone ring, I think it was Yela. Calling to tell me whether she feel better or not, and she went to work.
So, I don't know. Because right now I feel like though, I waste all of my time with you, my girl. For the whole of them time I'm there, I feel like say, I mean I run the thing.
But I mean you run the thing, Harry. I mean you run the
Come on, just
thing.
call and ask him, girl.
The
Joan.
man will call and ask him, girl, make a mistake.
On your phone.
It happen all the time, Harry. It happen all the time. All the time. It happen all the time. When people call people, you never have nobody call your phone yet.
Really, you know.
You never have nobody call your phone yet.
I just did. Don't clean at them and the prankers, but them
Well, the same thing me I
But
say.
them I ask you, Harry.
People can't just call and ask. Maybe the person have a wrong number, the right name, wrong number, and we might miss a number and we take a stock and the person we might call them Joan too. You know? Did him say jokes?
Only me one call the jokes, man.
Well, everybody call me jokes.
You tell him say your name jokes.
No, me never have nobody to call to tell them say my name
So,
jokes.
let me ask me from
Yeah, because if me I go have a boyfriend other than you, don't you think me that want to give my pet name for calling me too?
No, that's a my name, man.
Yeah, but would I share it?
Oh!
Yes, if me have somebody I call me, would I share it with? You understand? So, I just call that.
Only me don't know. Me don't know how to deal with this. No,
But
call.
deal with it like this. I idiot call.
That's it.
Yes, I idiot call. Whosoever did up on the phone, I idiot call. A wrong number.
Make sure you know, Joan, because we can't take for waste no time with no more, you know, because we are 60 and I don't have time for waste.
Wait, so where that think about me?
No, well, you
take me-
not go on road, me not do nothing, Joan.
So why would you think me I have somebody out the street?
After the call, me just get a while ago, my girl.
As me say, the people them call the wrong number.
Got him! Got him!
Okay, Harry,
Hold on.
you don't need to see my phone. Why
What
you
do you
need
mean?
to see my phone?
I need to say who I call. Who I call back. Okay, call back that not the last number where you have. Call it back because that don't look right to me. To me, that don't look right.
Okay, Harry. Alright. Me I gonna tell you this. You know, you don't really need to see my phone and you don't really need to call nobody back. Okay?
Yeah, but Joan, no, it sound like say, where you tell me no real. Because now you tell me say me no need, so why me no need? Me need to know who just call me for and ask my wife, man.
You don't need to no argument with the guy that was on the phone. You don't need to. Okay? You don't need to call the guy and you don't need to no argument with the guy that was on the phone.
No,
Alright?
yeah, well, like, you're guilty now, jokes. Me no need for looking at your phone and little man just call and ask for you a while ago. I mean, no need for looking at your phone.
Well, Harry, it's like this. Well, I don't know how to deal with this. I don't know how
Joan,
to tell you this.
too much years we put into this relationship right
I
now.
don't know
And you're
how to tell
telling me now,
you this.
say-
I really don't know how to
No,
tell you this.
but it's like we waste my time, Joan. I can't believe you, Joan. Me I say you're the only person right now where me have little trust and little faith in her. And you cry through and say, no, go so my girl.
Well, this is what happened. You know, it's like we've been together for how long, and the relationship get a little boring. It get boring, and you know, we go to the street and
Listen,
we
no
find
boring,
a friend.
Friend.
Not a matter of saying you're boring, but we find a little friend. You understand me? And we give me number and him call me, and you know, I just.
So how long now this is going on?
Well, about a year now, really.
Ear jokes?
Yes, about a year now, you know, we
Yeah,
have a
I
little
never
friend.
sit on that. I never even have an idea. I never see anything in jokes. That's
Well-
how much I trust, you know, because I tell you, say, Joan, I not even look your way when it comes to them things, you know. Because I assume, say, you know what?
Well, honey, it's like this, as me tell you. I find a little friend. And the relationship with me and you have, it boring.
Oh!
We need to go to another level. Not because me a 61-year-old, me I go sit down here in a dead relationship, my youth. Me sorry, I just saw me feel. So, this is what happened. You understand me? Just happened and I saw it set. So, anyway, honey,
What? No, anyway, what?
we love you. You don't love me?
What do you mean?
Because we make a mistake. It's just a mistake, my youth. Just a
If you make
mistake.
them mistake, if you owe me and you live, my girl, you're not supposed to make them the mistake.
You want to make that mistake then?
But if I never think about out the road, all I think about is you, you know, I don't think about nothing else out the road. Me, I go out the road and people look on them. Look on them.
Well, anyway, honey, you can't look in on my phone and look on the number.
True, you
Because
must have a glass.
it's just, no, because it's just a prank.
Prank. And the man call upon the phone, you have to say a prank.
It's just a prank, Harry. Yeah, come on, Harry. You think someone would really do that to you right now? After all of them here you've been to, you think would I do that to you?
that too, you know, Joan,
So
but
this
kind of throw me still, you know.
This was just a thing when we organized with
Chris.
Wilfred, you know, say,
Okay.
you know, I'm going to try a thing, you know, with Papa Harry,
only.
and them just work with me, you know.
You make my heart feel
Your heart feel better. My one feel better too. Well, guys, this is what I just did to Papa Harry. You know, I love me some Papa Harry, but me got to try a thing with him. So me just get crispy. Me and him run a thing, and we run a thing for Papa Harry, guys. So guys, I don't want you guys to chastise me, but guys, what I want you guys to do is like it and subscribe it, and I want you to hit that post notification belly for me, okay guys? And I need
Thanks for the
50,000K on this video, okay guys? We're out.